Okay, so here we are with the fifth silent animal in a row.
I've never seen you do that move before. Okay, here we go.
And the penguin. And the bunny. And the other butterfly. And the snail.
We're just getting started, yes. A monkey. A monkey.
But last, something that makes it go.
It's the monkey.
It's the monkey. Here we go, from the monkey.
The next one is a platypus.
It's the platypus.
Please stop. Can you please stop?
No, I think we should probably.
And with another silent animal like a giraffe would be good.
That's what we did last
A
time.
velociraptor.
Yes!
A velociraptor.
Velociraptor.
That's what I'm getting.
Yep.
It's a dinosaur.
Yep.
Ish.
Go that way.
Ish.
You still don't know that word. This is a
Velociraptor.
Alright, here we go. The thing of the
dinosaur.
Here we go.